What happens when a big cat comes face to face with an ancient wolf? In the frozen wilderness of the Ice Age, two apex predators walk the same trail. One, a solitary hunter of immense power, the Siberian tiger. The other, an ancient wolf built for endurance and teamwork, the dire wolf. They've never met before, but this land has room for only one ruler. The tiger hunts with power, the wolf with precision. Both are born for survival. The tiger explodes forward, claws extended. Snow bursts up. The wolf dodges, snapping at the tiger's shoulder, its fangs glint. The wolf growls, spinning behind the tiger. It aims for the hind leg, but the tiger pivots. A thunderous paw swipe slams through the air, striking the wolf mid-motion. In the frozen silence of the north, strength decides fate.